Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have something new to tell you if you already can't see it. I got starter locks, and I got starter locks about 6 days ago. My mom did them, and there will be videos in this video where you'll see the process of me getting my locks. But first I just wanted to tell you why I wanted to get locks in the first place. The thing is that I would get a lot of crochet faux locks a lot, and I would see how my hair looked when I had the faux locks in, and I really like that style, and I also really like my afro. But the thing is that especially during the summer, my afro did not look right, and the humidity would get to it and be like, haha, you know, your afro sucks, so I'm just gonna mess it up, where in turn it would look great, and then the humidity would just be like, haha. But I'm not saying that I don't hate my afro, it's just I wanted a different style with my hair and low manipulation, and having these locks just, I don't know, right now it just feels really good because my hair was, my hair last time I checked was 12 inches down my back, and I thought that was really cool. I think it was 12 or was it 13? I don't remember. Yeah, but it was pretty long to me, but I did want to keep growing and growing it, but at a point I just grew tired of having to keep up with my afro. So hopefully down the line, when my hair does get down to like the top of my butt, maybe I'll comb out my hair and see how long it is then. But right now I'm just enjoying this process of getting my locks. Now if you can see, I have 80, well you can't see that I have this many locks, but I have about 86 locks. I think 2-strand twist for my hair is good because I have 4C hair, and I mean you can do coils on your hair, you can do the instant lock, or you know, whichever method that you want to do, but I know that 2-strand twist hold very well on my hair. So my mom and we took that route, and I think my mom did a very great job. She did how I wanted it to do, like in the part, like a middle part, the side part, and then all the rows in the back, because I don't want really thin locks, but I also don't really want thick locks as well. So I'm kind of looking in between on how I have my faux locks, like my crochet faux locks. I wanted it like that thick. So hopefully this size is that same size. If not, that's okay as well. I'm excited to see how long my hair is going to be. Well, not now, but you know, eventually in the coming years, to see how long it grows. And I want to be doing a monthly or every month and a half lock update with you on YouTube, and I would really like for you to come along on this journey with me, and I'll definitely show you all of it. I wanted to show you the things that I use for my hair. I have not washed it yet, but I'm probably going to wash it in a couple of days. Right now my scalp has been itchy just a little bit, but I'm not too concerned about washing it like immediately. Some people actually, they don't wash their hair until like 6 months later, or they don't wash it until like a year later, and that's not gonna happen with me. I'm gonna be washing it, not regularly, but how I would wash my afro. So the things that I use are I use extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I use extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. And the other oils that I use, it's in a carrot oil bottle, but it's, I need to smell it first. Okay, so that's, I know it's carrot oil. Oh, there's carrot oil, there's tea tree oil, and there's grapeseed oil in here. Yep, I remember now. So these all are 3 good oils, and then I use this oil as well. I don't drench my hair whenever I do oil my scalp. First I go in with an argan leave-in conditioner, and I don't know, I think my mom got this from Ross or something like that, but it was like 3 different ones. But this one is the nourishing leave-in, and it's like It says argan, but it's also in like, I think it's in Spanish. Yeah, I believe this is in Spanish, or it's definitely not Italian. Yeah, I think this is in Spanish, but yeah, so this is the argan leave-in. You just put it on, and you just like spray all throughout. I spray my scalp mostly so that my head doesn't itch as much. And then what I do with these two, usually I'll put them together like in my hand, and then I'll put them at my tips, and then I'll just go at my scalp, because it'll get itchy, and for the rest of the day it won't itch. So these are the only things that I'm using. I also do spray it with water sometimes, but I'm trying to do as little manipulation as possible. Those are the main things that I use, and I'm excited for this journey. I really am. I'm excited to see how long it'll get before I finish college. So definitely I take my vitamins, I drink a lot of water, I've been exercising. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to learn about more videos that are coming up, and hit the bell if you want to be a part of the notification gang. And I'll see you later. Bye.